It's the 21st century and it demands a healthy lifestyle. Today, people opt for high-protein diets and intense workouts because it's imperative to keep the vital body functions in check. One of these is the heart electrocardiogram or ECG. ECG plays an important role in understanding the physical and mental state of a person. It is an indicator of the condition of the heart and whether the person has any residing abnormalities. Cardiac arrest is the cause of 68% deaths in India. Lack of medical attention and diagnosis within the first hour of a heart attack drastically decreases one's chances of survival. Thus, helping save lives is the portable appliance for Correct ECG or PACE. This smartphone-enabled ECG device fits right into the palm of your hand. In fact, it's the size of a credit card. It helps check the heart ECG accurately anytime, anywhere. With ECG testing charges going through the roof, PACE comes with no operational cost. The technology hails from none other than one of India's greatest research labs, Bhabha Atomic Research Center. PACE works with 10 electrodes to generate a 12-channel ECG. Once the device is connected via an app with the phone, the report can be viewed directly on the phone. The system allows the working of the heart to be viewed from different perspectives, both simultaneously and sequentially. PACE is all about easy communication. The innovative functioning and the small size lets a general practitioner monitor the patient's heart from any place. Be it a city or any rural area, he can then immediately send the information to the patient's heart specialist for further study or recommendation. Once fully charged, PACE can test and send up to 300 reports in different formats. Thus, it allows specialists to read the report in any desired format. Simple to charge and to use. So much so that it can even be charged by any Android charger. No wonder PACE is an easy and smart choice. It's ideal for places with lesser accessibility to full-fledged or dedicated ECG machines, such as primary healthcare centers, rural hospitals, nursing homes. It also complements in India's dream of setting up Ayushman Bharat's wellness centers. Compact and handy, it is also suitable for use in mobile medical units such as ambulances. Offering an affordable and convenient way to be in control, this trusting companion makes sure that your heart remains at the top of its game. PACE.